Hey there everyone, Coach Jason DePaola here from thetrainersedge.co.uk. So in this video I'm going to quickly talk about explosive strength training for rugby, and I'm especially going to talk about the kettlebell snatch. If you played any competitive sports, then I don't have to stress to you the importance of physical power and how it applies to your sport. So especially rugby players understand the importance of getting as much power as they can, and you have got to get your body involved in the act of explosive strength training. So kettlebell snatches are an awesome strength training exercise for helping you to develop superior core strength, hip power, speed, explosiveness, shoulder stability and overall tremendous cardiovascular conditioning. All of these traits I have mentioned above are absolutely essential for the game of rugby. Now before I go on and explain how to perform a kettlebell snatch, I'm going to tell you now you can use a single dumbbell. A dumbbell will be slightly easier than a kettlebell, as a kettlebell will move around your hand, whereas a dumbbell will have a fixed weighted position between your hand. Either way, a single kettlebell or dumbbell snatch is an awesome exercise for you to do to get that explosive strength. Okay, let's talk about kettlebell snatches for rugby. So to perform the kettlebell snatch, you need the availability of a single bell of moderate resistance. Begin by pulling the bell either off the ground or from pulling it from a swing lift between your legs to elevate it to a lockout held position just above your head. This is all done by having you to engage your hips and knees in a forceful motion that is known as the hip snap. To elevate the kettlebell, you will want to get this hip snap by forcibly flexing and then extending both at your knees and hips in order to drive that kettlebell up high into a high pull position just lateral to your head. Once that bell reaches this high pull position, it will peak out and reach a point of weightlessness for a fraction of a second. As this bell reaches this point of like zero gravity, then you'll want to vertically punch your palm towards the sky in order to complete the execution of the snatch lift. You will see how challenging this lift can be just after a few repetitions. So in my opinion, the overhead snatch is one of the best kettlebell strength training lifts you can possibly do to engage in any competitive sports, but like I say, especially for the sport of rugby. If you want to learn any more about kettlebell exercises or any other great lifts, then please feel free to have a look at more videos on my channel. Also, if you found this video helpful, please leave your comments and thumbs up below. Please hit and like the like button and share with your friends, and let me know if there's any other topics or other lifts techniques you want me to cover in future videos. So hey, I'm Coach Jason, thank you for watching, have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon on another video.